Did you know that over 60% of the global population is online? And more people are joining them every day. That's why every business, big or small, needs an online presence to be competitive. But it's not enough just to have a website. There may be a lot of people online, but there's also a lot of companies that want their attention and their business. Your target audience needs to know you exist, how you can help them, and what makes you different from the competition. Breaking through this crowded field and actually reaching potential customers, that's where digital marketing comes in. Now, you might have noticed I haven't mentioned anything about selling products yet. That's because digital marketing is bigger than sales. It's not that selling products or services isn't important, but it's only one piece of what digital marketing can do for companies. Individual sales are easy to measure, but they don't mean much if your target audience doesn't trust your brand or your customers don't come back for a second, third, or fourth purchase. A successful digital marketing effort guides all of a company's customer interactions. It allows companies to think strategically about how to reach customers through digital channels before, during, and after a purchase. It can be harder to measure the value of these activities, but a well-coordinated strategy allows businesses to thrive online and even grow. Let's think through an example. Imagine a company that makes running shoes decides to invest in digital marketing. They create some video ads and place them on a popular news site. They create accounts for several social media platforms and start posting content. But their posts don't get much engagement and their ads don't attract many new customers. What's worse, they don't even know why they aren't getting results. They've wasted time, money, and resources on a digital campaign that doesn't work. Now, let's think about what could have happened if that same company made an effort to learn about their audience. Instead of posting ads on a news website, they targeted sites that focused on running. Because they did research, they knew where to find their new customers online. That knowledge also let them create tailored content for their social media accounts that reached the right audience. And because they researched their audience, they were able to set meaningful goals for their strategy. With clear goals in place, they knew exactly how to measure their success. The information they measured allowed them to adjust their customer communication and improve their video, social, and email campaigns. They were able to recognize opportunities to reach potential customers and engage with them effectively. Yes, sales went up, but their well-planned digital strategy also built awareness, trust, and loyalty. You'll learn more about how marketers create and execute strategies like this one throughout the program. For now, let's recap. Digital marketing is more than running ads to drive sales. It's a set of practices that can affect a company's customer interactions at all levels and during every stage of the purchase journey. By learning about their customers, digital marketing teams can reach their target audience in a crowded online marketplace and nurture customer relationships over time. Coming up, you'll learn more about the value digital marketing creates for businesses and some of the challenges marketing teams face when planning and executing strategies for online engagement.